SPS Public School, paragraph 14. In the second chapter in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says that the soul is immortal. It can not be burnt by fire, cannot cut by sword, and cannot bait by the butter. This is immortal. If any person have take the birth, then he will be die burnt surely, and any person who has died will take the birth. Therefore, we should not be fear by the death. We have to do the good work. There will be not the attachment of any illusion. This is the all that the money, anything, we should not be attachment. There will be the work, virtues. We have to do the virtues, and the person who are doing the virtues will get the supreme births, and his good works are more than he will take the birth in the heaven. He will be get the salvation. If his bad works are more, then he will be get the very lower births. Therefore, you have to do the right, doing the work, not in the result. Whatever you are doing, God will give you the result of the work you are doing. Soul, this is the soul is the part of the Supreme God. Lord Krishna says, soul is my part. Therefore, you must not be regret for the soul. It will soul take the birth, like the man changes his clothes, changes his olden clothes when they turn. Therefore, similarly, soul change the bodies when it become old and new birth. Therefore, we must not be sorrow changing the bodies. We have to be live same either in loss, profit, in the praise, or in the when anyone criticizes. We must be the our state will be remain same. Our desires must not be more. If we are desiring more and more, if they are not fulfilled, then we have to be anger, and when we anger, it increases, it spoils the mind. Our mind will spoil, then we have not do the work with our wisdom. Therefore, our wishes not must not be more. In this chapter second, Lord Krishna says that you must be the Karma Yogi. These are doing the work, whatever birth doing. Then remembering him, he will get the salvation, and it is the purpose of the leading the true life. Questions: whose part is soul? What has Lord Krishna said about soul, why do, why should, we not regret for body death what is karma yoga why should may have not so much patience. Fourth class students have to choose noun and pronoun from the paragraph which I have spoken. Fifth class noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Sixth class and senior to sixth classes have to choose the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection and non-finite verb from the paragraph. Doing this and also inspire these which I have given to you this paragraph. Write all these questions of the students. Now I am writing the SST questions you have to do. SST questions you have to do also after. SST questions. What are the problems of India? First question, write the answer about 200 word of each question. What are problems of India? What are industries? How many kinds are industry? What is Gram Panchayat? After how many years the election is happened? What is the time period of Rajya Sabha who is president of Rajya Sabha. What is the what are the functions of President of India? These 5 questions have to do in the SST test, and all these 14 paragraphs all the students have to do very attentively, learning the words again and again. Starting the paragraph, you have to write all the questions and part of speech grammar which I am giving daily. All the students have to do very attentively, very clearly. It will be very nicely learning the words of the English and try to understand all these. Do not leave any question from this paragraph.